Hello, Arizona. It's time for the daily update from the Republican Party of Arizona, and I am your chairwoman, Dr. Kelly Ward. Today, we are talking about election integrity and recent rulings by the United States Supreme Court. We here in Arizona at the Republican Party have worked hard to bring greater transparency and integrity to the 2020 election. Unfortunately, some judges seem more interested in President Trump's tax returns than they do in ensuring that the American electorate has full confidence in our elections. We learned that the U.S. Supreme Court will not hear two consolidated election cases from Pennsylvania. The hearing of those cases would have brought clarity to the questions of when elections procedures can be changed and by whom. To claim that those questions are moot because they won't change the outcome of a federal election is a gross miscarriage of justice. In his dissenting opinion, one of the judges made the clear argument as to why it was so important to hear the case. He said this: "The decision to rewrite the rules seems to have affected too few ballots to change the outcome of any federal election, but that may not be the case in the future. These cases provide us with an ideal opportunity to address just what authority non-legislative officials have to set election rules, and to do so well before the next election cycle. The refusal to do so is inexplicable." Yes, it is. At its core, this was the opportunity to assess the proper role of state officials in designing and executing election procedures. To leave that question unanswered for the American people is not the way to bring our country together. It only serves to stoke the fires of division. Democrats claiming to want to unify sure do have a funny way of showing it, don't they? This much is clear. We cannot rely on the courts to answer the questions the American people still have. So, we must resolve those questions with refreshed election law at the state and the federal level. We must communicate with our state and federal representatives to ensure that our election laws are so clear and so comprehensive and so transparent that the courts will have little to do with any election outcome. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you the next time.